Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Immediate past president of the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, J3A's Dr. Warren Blake, has criticized 2011 World 100-meter champion Johan Blake over his stance on COVID-19 vaccination. Renata Brown tells us more.
Their personal views made public, first during a TVJ Sports Town Hall meeting last month. But on Saturday, sprinter Johan Blake held firm on his stance against vaccination.
Yeah, my mind still stay strong. I don't want any vaccine. I'd rather miss the Olympics than taking the vaccine. So, I'm not taking it.
Why are you so against it?
I don't really want to get into it right now, but I have my reasons.
It is a comment that has been making the rounds since Saturday. But for former president of the J3A's, Dr. Warren Blake, who was speaking on Smile Jamaica on Monday, the comment should not have been made.
I think it's very unfortunate that someone of Johan's stature should come out publicly and make a statement like that. I mean, I recognize it's personal choice, but at the same time, I don't think it's a wise choice that Johan has made. It's something I want to sit down with him and speak about.
Dr. Blake says tests have proven that the vaccines are safe and athletes should not fear the jab. The former J3A's boss also added that while it's not expected that vaccination will be mandatory for the Olympic Games, athletes who plan to travel may find it compulsory.
They will not make it mandatory, but I think the traveling arrangements that countries put in is really going to make it mandatory.
Yeah.
But the way I see it going is that you can't land in a country that has vaccinated their personnel and their people without showing your vaccination certificate. So in effect, it's going to become mandatory.
Yeah.
Blake is also pushing for the sensitization of athletes in relation to vaccination.
No, there has to be some sort of campaign. And I'm going to be pushing the new leadership of the J3A's to try and institute some campaign among our athletes to make sure that they do take it.
Last week, Olympic organizers announced that athletes and officials will not be required to receive a COVID-19 vaccine ahead of the Games in order to participate. However, the International Olympic Committee, IOC, is still encouraging those who are taking part in the Games to get the vaccine. In a story aired February 23 on TVJ Sports, Professor of Public Health at the University of the West Indies, Peter Figueroa, noted that only if there is an agreement between Olympic organizers, the IOC and athletes can vaccination for the Games be mandatory. Figueroa also mentioned that from a public health standpoint, medical practitioners can only encourage vaccination. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.